It's so good to be back on Hooky Stuff's channel. Indeed. Wait, what's that up ahead? Oh boy, I think I need to stop. What happened? What's going on? Sorry, passengers. There's just something up ahead. I'll have to have a look. Oh, bother! It's a damaged track. So what are we gonna do? I'm not sure. We'll have to get some help or something. Sorry, that was my fault. Is everyone okay? Yeah. Who are you? You can call me Max. Nice to meet you, Max. So, what happened to the rails? Well, Mr. Hoodman he keeps damaging the rails. So yeah, I guess he did that, but at least you're alright. Well, I can help you fix the rails with my handy hammer. Thank you, we definitely need some help. There you go. The rails are fixed again. Thanks for fixing the rails. No problem. Guys, why is the train moving itself? And who's driving that thing? Hahaha, you'll never catch me now. It's mine. Oh no, he's driving the train. What are we gonna do? You can rely on us. Oh, thanks, guys. I definitely need some help. Come on, let's go. Get in my car. We need to catch him. Hurry. Oh, come on! A car chasing a train? That's pathetic. But I can still catch you. Oh yeah? You better watch where you're going. What? Oh, look out! Are you okay? Yeah, we're fine. Wait, he damaged all the rails. That means he'll derail. Wait, what? Oh, bother! No! Maybe I shouldn't have damaged all the rails. This isn't over, Red Helmet Man. So, what should we do with him? I know where to take him, cause I'm sure it will annoy him. Well, Max, thanks for helping us out. No problem. And thanks for fixing the rails. Well, I guess this is a goodbye. Yeah, goodbye, guys.
Bye, Max!
And the Lego City Railway became happy again. The passengers were happy, the driver was happy, and of course, their new friend, Max.